Oh, it's a lovely drive. My goodness, that is magnificent work from Stephen Smith. Down the ground for 4.
Which it was on this occasion. It's just the timing.
Oh, it's a great shot. There is nothing wrong with that delivery.
The lines that you have to be to Steve Smith, or the lines you can't be. Anything straight, he rarely misses. Certainly there, the timing of the shot again. Doesn't overhit it.
Oh, that is beautiful.
That is absolute class. Oh, wow. That is absolutely exquisitely timed.
We'll pick the bones out of that. That is a classical cover drive from Steve Smith. Beautiful stride into ball. The hands extend through the line, full face of the bat.
Oh, down the ground. That's nicely played. That's a very strong shot.
Just wanted to go over the top, but this time around he got it right. Look at the follow through. The arms, the hands, they're all going nice in one line. And made sure that he hit it.
That's a half volley. And that's easy put away. That's a lovely drive. Just open the blade a fraction. I think they want a second look. Naseem Shah does nicely.
Oh, misfield, and Steve Smith will trot through. He'll come back for 2, and another 50 for Steve Smith.
Just acknowledged to his teammates and obviously the crowd. Got out here to Gaddafi Stadium to see Test cricket.